We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey, it's Jordan over at Onyx, and today we're going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and we are working with the Brother L6200dw. So first we're going to take this tray out. You're going to make sure that the paper guides on these sides over here are at the correct size for the paper that you're using. And then also you want to make sure that it is not overflowing these max level indicators up at the top. Just make sure you have the correct amount of paper in there. If you're getting new paper and putting in, you want to take all the paper you have in it out and then fan it out, make sure it's not stuck together or anything. Put it back in there at the correct size, not overflowing. Put that back in there, and you should be good to go. If you need any supplies or a quote, just give us a call. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.